Making great thumbnails is now possible with ChatGPT's Image Gen 2.0 model. In this video, I'm going to show you my 3-step process to make some awesome thumbnails that get clicked on, get you viral, get you famous and happy, and everything you've ever wanted in your life. Doesn't that sound good? In fact, by the end of this video, you're going to be able to make them so fast that you're not even going to know how to use all the thumbnails that you have, even though you should use them all because they're amazing. My name is Matt. I've been doing YouTube unsuccessfully about 10 years now, and here I am at it again, but you clicked on this video, and that means something. Making professional thumbnails is a requirement now because everyone's using AI to make incredible thumbnails that normal people couldn't make back in the day. You and I that used to scribble down on a piece of paper and took a picture of it and slapped it up for our videos, that's not viable anymore. Not that it ever was. Step 1 is going to be getting a good picture of your face all nice and lit up, or the background scene if you don't want your face in the thumbnail. Step 2 is going to be editing that photo so that it looks just fantastic to upload to the AI and it has full context. Best ability to make sure it doesn't look like someone else in the thumbnail. Well, that'll be nice. Step 3, we're going to be uploading and prompting. I'm going to show you the prompt that I used that you already clicked on for this thumbnail, for this video, as well as how you can use it being catered just right for your own channel. Real quick, if you wouldn't mind subscribing, that would really help. Thank you. Step 1, taking a great photo. Yes, that includes having some really good lighting. I've got some lighting right here, which is making this video pop and stand out and make it look more professional and nice. And I got this nice little light back here, as you can tell. This setup is great for a video. It's not good at all for getting a thumbnail. There's not enough information in the photo that you take. You need a more lit up room because my hair will get all jumbled up, and AI needs to fully see everything going on. You want a very lit room as well as light coming onto your face. That is most important. Now, if you're wanting a thumbnail without your face in it, this still works. Just make sure whatever, if you're taking a picture of a desk and that's the setup you want, prompting AI to add stuff to it, you can do that. Just make sure it's lit properly. Fully see the image and everything going on in the image. Now that you have a professional looking photo of you smiling, frowning maybe, whatever you want, you're gonna need to upload this into a photo editor to remove the background. Yes, AI can do this, but I found that it's much better to just do this beforehand and then upload the image with the background already gone. It's very helpful to do this. Do this for free with a website called remove.bg, as well as any app. I use Pixelmator Pro. It works great for it. I've also used an iPad before, painstakingly gone through the images and gotten rid of the background and erased the background. And a pro tip, when editing the photo, boost the colors just a little bit. It makes things pop out and stand out more, and it just looks nicer. Even though the AI can adjust things, and it will, it's nice to have some saturated colors for thumbnails. How it is, that's human psychology. We like boosted colors. Step 3, we've got our nice photo that we want. We upload that to Image Gen 2.0. Now the prompt needs to be specific to your use case, for your channel. What type of background do you want? Don't leave anything to chance, to whatever the AI wants to make. Give it structured details of what you want. The background, do you want a dark gray? Or do you want a blue background? Yada, yada, yada. That's the background. I'll give you the one that I used for this video, but you need to be able to manipulate the prompt into being perfect for your channel and your colors and your style. One way to do this is looking around on YouTube, the thumbnails that have already worked, and see what people do if they have it structured where your face is off to the right or the left, what type of wording and how the wording pops out and what the background looks like. You can take some ideas and concepts, add those into your own design style that you like, combine it all together in your prompt. But the prompt that I used for this video, I'm just gonna look over here and read it because it's a little too difficult to try and memorize it and then talk to the camera. Sound good? Create a professional looking YouTube thumbnail. Dark gray background with a few specks of white, almost chalk dust like texture. The guy is positioned on the right side of the thumbnail. The left side has 2 words, lazy thumbnail. The word thumbnail is it yellow? Didn't write that correctly. And the word lazy is in white. The very first generation that I made is a thumbnail that I used. So if you clicked on this video, the reason for it is mainly Image Gen 2.0. So it's pretty good. First and foremost, take a good picture with good lighting. Second, make sure that picture is cleaned up, looks good, has the background gone, colors are boosted and look great. Third thing, upload the picture that you made and have a good prompt for the AI to follow. And you're gonna be on your way to making thumbnails so many that you can't even use for all the videos that you don't make. Let me know what you thought of the video in the comments. If there's things that you liked or didn't like, that'd be helpful. Just let me know. Thanks so much.